Hello student. Today we'll discuss on the half subtractor and full subtractor. So half subtractor is the most essential combinational logic circuit which is used in digital electronics. Basically, this is an electronic device, or in other terms we can say it is a logic circuit. Half subtractor is used to perform two binary digit subtraction. The block diagram of half adder is shown below. Okay. Again, it is A, B inputs, and here is the output is 2. One is called as difference after subtraction of A minus B, and if the borrow will be occur, then you can mark as a borrow. So two inputs A, B, and two output difference and borrow. The truth table of half subtractor: 0 0, difference 0, borrow 0, A minus B. So difference 0, borrow 0 minus 1, A minus B. They are having difference 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 0, difference 1, borrow 0. 1 minus 1, difference 0, borrow 0. So one line is important again here. For the 0 minus 1, the difference is 1 and borrow is 1. See now, agar next step is again the applying the K map. A, B inputs, right? So 0 1 means A bar A, 0 1 B bar B. Two ones you can mark. So again it is a individual. So it is what? A into B bar plus A bar into B. So it is what? XOR gate. So difference table D is equal to A XOR with B. See difference again. Borrow again here is only. So is what? A bar into B. A bar into B. Only one location. Then see there logic diagram. Difference XOR gate. A bar, that's why connected inverter. A bar, here is A, it is A bar. B, this one. So A into A bar into B and difference. Understood? Now the full subtractor. So full subtractor is a combinational circuit that performs subtraction of two bits. One is minute and other is the subtrahend. Taking into account borrow of the previous adjacent lower minute bit, this circuit has three inputs, two outputs. The three inputs A, B, B in denote the minute, subtrahend and previous borrow respectively. The two output D and B out represent the difference and output borrow respectively. A, B, borrowing, or you can call it B in short, B in. Two output, difference and borrow. Full subtractor circuit. See now, A 0 0 0, okay, and their difference and borrow. See again and take another example. 0 minus 0, difference 0, borrow 0, right? But 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. Okay, so like this one you can construct the table. 1 1. Suppose this one 1 minus 1, both 0 means difference 0, borrow out again 0. But that difference 0 minus 1, both 1, difference 1, borrow 1. Like this one we can construct the table. After that our procedure is K map. K map for the D, A, B, B in 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Okay. So according to this K map, we know that how we can construct again this 4 location. Here is again 4 location. Mark the ones in the K map like this. This is one pair, this is one pair, this is another pair. Okay, and after solving this one, we got such type of explanation. Okay. After that, your next step is draw the logic diagram. Draw the logic diagram. See now in this logic diagram again here. First thing is what we are having the three inputs variable A, B, B in. and two output. One is difference and second is B out. Okay, so according to this all, we can utilize this different logic gates and A, B, B in difference and borrow. Okay, and we construct the such type of simple logic. Thank you.